Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file your income tax return. First, ensure you have all your essential documents ready, such as your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income. Next, you'll need to access the official tax filing website and create a secure account. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth filing experience, so take your time to verify all your personal details accurately before proceeding. Once your account is set up, you can begin entering your income and deduction information. Be meticulous when inputting figures from your W-2, 1099, and other financial statements. The online system will guide you through various sections, helping you identify eligible deductions and credits. Take advantage of the built-in calculators to estimate your tax liability or refund. A thorough review of all entered data is essential to prevent mistakes. Before final submission, perform a comprehensive review of your entire tax return. Check for any discrepancies in income, deductions, or personal information. The system will often highlight potential errors or missing data. Decide how you wish to receive any refund, typically via direct deposit, or how you will make any payment due. Finally, electronically sign your return using your PIN or other authentication method and click Submit. After successfully submitting your return, you will receive a confirmation number. Make sure to save this number in a safe place, as it is your proof of filing. You can use this number to track the status of your return online. Typically, processing takes a few weeks, and you'll be notified once it's complete. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.